Hey everyone, it's Kiri here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the halo blur keyframe effect on Funimate. So, most people use this in video edits, but I'm just going to show an example with photo edits for now. So what you're going to want to do is import a few images. And I'm just going to keep them at the same duration, so I'm just duplicating them. And I will replace the image. And then we'll do 3, just as an example. And that one. Okay, so where you find it is you go to Keyframe, Add Effect, scroll until you see Halo Blur. So what you can do is choose how much you want it to blur, and add a keyframe and intensity all the way down. So this effect is really easy and leaves such a great result. Now I'm going to add a out transition so it's out a lot faster. I might even push the image clear for a few seconds. Now this option mask is basically similar to the other one, so you can choose how much you want to mask it, if you want to mask the whole image or whichever. Same goes for this one where it goes from point to point. I prefer using the mask on this one, but purely your choice if you'd like to or not. Now to make this process a lot easier, I just copy and paste. This is what it looks like. Now what you can do now is this is where you add more effects, you add flashes, you can add zoom in, zoom out. I preferably like to parent them or group them and then add it onto that so it's all at once. That is up to you. So that's just how you use the halo blur effect, which is what I'm going to show you today. And it's quite simple, play around with it. You can even use it in other ways, from starting with no blur to a blur, completely up to you. But that's how you use it for the new trend, basically. And it looks amazing. So that's how you use it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and can't wait to see all your edits with the new halo blur effect. Bye.